Hey everybody! I'm here today with a beginner lesson on playing the flute. This will be a video tutorial on playing the flute, and I'll be going over how to play vibrato, okay? And this will be, once again, a beginner lesson. Let's get right into the video. So, vibrato, what is vibrato or vibrato? Whatever you want to call it. I'm Italian, so vibrato, okay? That's how I'm going to say it, because it's in my genes. Literally, it's in my genetics. Anyways, and so, sometimes I have a flute over here, and I might carry it in my jean pocket. I'm just joking. This video joke is making no sense. Let's stick to the topic here, okay? Vibrato. Now, there are essentially a couple of ways you can move air sort of in and out. You can do it with your throat, or you can do it with your tongue. I'm going to show you and tell you about both ways. The first way is with your throat. So instead of just going, you're going to go, so whistle with it first. Okay, I'm doing that with my throat because my whistle, my tongue is staying in the same spot. My tongue is staying in the same spot, but I'm moving my airway with my throat going, okay? That's the first way. The next way is with your tongue, when you can move your tongue like this, and it's gonna force the air out harder, softer, like this. And when you whistle, when you practice, when you're whistling, it's gonna sound like this. My tongue is moving in and out. If you can make those two sounds when you whistle, you can play vibrato on the flute. What we're gonna do, just grab the mouthpiece or the head joint, whatever you want to call it, plug up the end with the hole in it, okay? And we're going to practice basically just increasing the speed of our vibrato effect. So we're going to start off by just going woo, 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 woo. Then we're going to go woo, 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 woo. Then woo, 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 woo. And then you, you, okay? So plug up the end with the hole in it, and start by trying it with your throat, and then try it with your tongue. See what works for you. But this is what it's going to sound like with your throat. I'm going to do it with my throat at first. I can do it both ways. With my throat at first, okay? Okay? You heard at the end there, I got the vibrato effect. Now I'm going to do it with my tongue. So I'm just increasing the speed of the vibrato effect, the vibrato effect. I'm basically going, okay? And you can do it with your throat to sound like this, or your tongue. Very, very easy. Then you can assemble your flute, and you can translate that sound to playing the flute, because it's just your air movement that you're changing. And with my throat, I'm just going, with my tongue, I'm going, just like that, okay? Sounds like this. That was with my throat, and that's with my tongue. And it's just a matter of practice. The more that you practice, the better that you're going to be. Practice like, okay, like this. We'll try this one more time. That's it. It's literally that simple. I just flung my saliva against the camera. I'm sorry. I don't know if it got in the lens. I know it's gross, but it is what it is. Part of playing the flute. You're moving your air, you're moving your saliva. It's going to happen, okay? You need to learn to live with it and deal with it if you're going to play the flute. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.